What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. And then you see here we have hydroxyl group, it connects to this, and since we have hydroxyl group we have alcohol. So we have a benzene or phenyl group, it connects to the methanol because we have only one carbon here. So we can call it phenylmethanol, or we can call it, the industrial name is, or commercial name is, benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol is this is the structure of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.